We're back here in Cypress Mountain for another adventure.
Today we're gonna do snowshoeing. It's our first time snowshoeing, so we don't even know how to put this on.
I guess we'll just figure it out.
I got pins, so you put the pins on your ticket and strap it onto your zipper. And I got a map.
Oh. And sabi?
So yeah, adjust the strap, that strap.
Okay. Saan lalagay?
Yan. Tapos kailangan meron daw gap dito. So sabi nila kailangan may gap dito. From the snowshoe to your shoe. Ito yung ini-strap.
Ready to go. Yun na yan. Are you ready?
I'm hungry.
Excuse me, ano ginagawa mo? Ano ginagawa mo? Ano yan? May lunchbox.
Para may energy. Here we go!
And the adventure begins! Dito.
Ano yan?
Picture mo na!
Hindi pa kami nakakalayo. Oh, ayun pa lang yung galing kami. Oh.
Kakapasok pa lang sa woods. Dali!
It's starting to get warmer because we've been walking for quite a bit. We're taking off some layers right now.
So warm! May nahiga dun! Makita ka ng bear dyan. Ayan, sige. Naka 3 layers pa ako.
Magtanggal ka.
Napakainit pala. Kailangan naka-t-shirt ka na lang pag nandito ka. Kala mo malamig pag nakita ka ng snow.
So warm. Ano yan?
Ito yung owl.
Ay, di ba? Ano yan? Ano tawag dyan? We made it to the lodge.
So, nasa na tayo ngayon? We've reached the
First point, Hollyburn Lodge.
first lodge in the middle of the forest.
So I think when you go in the lodge, there's food available, but we brought our baon.
Bring your baon! Save money! Save time!
So we are currently right here right now. We are at the Hollyburn Lodge. We were here, then we took this path. And I think next stop is gonna be this upper warming hut. So we're gonna go through here.
Okay.
Ayun na tayo? Sige na, let's go!
Punta tayo doon. Oh, layo!
So we are leaving the lodge at 11:44. Let's see what time we're gonna...
Let it go, let it go.
Let's see what time we're gonna get to the upper warming hut.
Here we go! Pagod na kami. Dito na lang tayo. May supa ako.
You know to. Nakikipag-shake hands sa mga puno.
Ano yan? Ano yan? We found it! We're here at the Upper Hill Lodge, a second lodge.
Yeah, it took us about 45 minutes just to get from the first lodge to the next warming hut. We saw a little bit of a view, but it's not the actual lookout. Because I think the actual lookout is around 30 minutes more of a hike.
Going up, yeah.
Going up. We are going to the actual lookout point. We started the hike at 1 o'clock and see what time we get up there. Sobrang tahimik.
Wala pa kami nakikitang wildlife.
It seems like this is the perfect place if you wanna get out of the city, like from the noise, the cars, the civilization, and be one with nature. Come here.
Ano yan? Anong tawag dyan? Turns out it's a dead end.
They say that there was a lookout out here, but it's more of, it doesn't look like a lookout. Okay, I think we're gonna go down now.
We found the lookout!
So it turns out that we hit the actual lookout on our way back here.
So beautiful.
I think we're gonna end it here, guys. The snowshoe tickets plus the rentals is like $30. If you have your own snowshoes, it's only $12.
It's actually a nice experience. You better add this in your bucket list and try it out for yourself. Make sure to like and subscribe. See ya!
Bye!